Got the 6.4 humming today, thanks to the homie Tony Boss Bolin. Of course, I got it torn apart here. Getting the motors, or the window motors, working. The back's kind of worked. You can see. Luckily, it's an old car, so it comes apart pretty quick. Fuel tank swapped, all new aluminum fuel lines. Took off the 2-port, have a 3-port Carter rebuilt. Tony helped me do that. New fuel filter. Obviously, you hear the exhaust leak. Bunch of little things I got to continue to do, but she'll be driving around the neighborhood today, terrorizing everyone. Smugglers Blues. Got parts everywhere.